How to find your Cash App QR code. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find your Cash App QR code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash App application on your device. Make sure you are signed in and you will be led to your home screen of Cash App. So, tap on the dollar icon on the bottom center of your screen and further tap on the scanner option on the top left of your screen. You will then be led to the page from where you can scan a QR code or view your QR code. Make sure the scan option is selected on the bottom, and now go ahead and further scan the QR code you are looking forward to scan, and with this your QR code will be scanned. So, this is how you can find your Cash App QR code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.